So hello, welcome everybody, welcome Fiona.
Hi, Alicia.
Our down dog yoga challenge, and we've got day 22. So we had the special session yesterday, and now I'm back to studio and Fiona at home doing session with me. How are you, Fiona?
Good, thank you. And today I've got Hope, who's going to join in. So she's one of my rescue dogs. So she's helped me to stay positive. She's a good girl.
Yeah.
Let her go now. And I'm wearing my Stay Positive t-shirt again. People can buy online if they want to now. So good stuff.
Yeah,
okay.
Great. So you're ready to start. So let's start. Your legs wide down, your shoulders width apart. Inhale, arms up. And slowly exhale, shoulders back and down. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And one more. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Now bring your arms to your side and try to reach left and right. So mobilize your spine, lower back. Build the strength in your core, especially your obliques, left and right side. Inhale, center, and exhale, side to side. Back to center, place your hands on your hips, keeping your both legs straight, trying to bend forward. Feel the stretch back of your legs, lower back. Inhale, all the way up. And slowly exhale, bend forward. And a few more, your spine nice and long. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale, and slowly exhale. And one more, inhale, and slowly exhale. Okay, now if your legs, hips width apart, feet slightly turn out, hands together, inhale. As you exhale, try to go to the squat position. Make sure you've got your feet flat on the floor. So you've got your heels down the ground as you're going lower with your hips. Inhale. And slowly exhale. And maybe one more. Inhale all the way up, lift your arms. When you exhale, slowly relax. Relax your shoulders. And now, slowly fold forward, your knees bend. Place your hands on the floor. Bring your knees down on the ground. Lift your feet and try to move your legs side to side. And slowly to child pose. Let's rock your hips side to side. Stretch your lower back, glutes your hips. And now move to down dog position. March on the spot. Switch one leg at a time. Control your breath, deep breath in and slowly out. Slowly on your four. And now your left leg straight on the ground. I'm going to rock your body back and forth to feel the stretch in your left leg. Abdominal muscles engaged. Inhale forward and exhale, moving back. Okay, now right leg straight. Inhale and exhale. Your left knee down the ground. On your 4, and again, down dog position. This time when you inhale, try to move forward, and exhale back to down dog. Your knees could be bent, heels could be off the floor, which is fine. You need to feel the stretch, not only your legs, but also upper body, arms, and your chest. Feel your spine is nice and long. Maybe 2 more times. Inhale. Slowly exhale. On your 4, right leg forward. And now arms up. Inhale. Slowly shoulders back and down. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And one more. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Okay, now left leg forward. And again, reaching up your arms to really feel the stretch in your chest and shoulders. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And maybe one more. Perfect. So now let's lay down on your belly. Strong glutes muscles. Could be forearms to lift your chest. Slowly exhale down, or hands underneath your shoulders. Or even closer to your body. In your waistline to lift your hips. So you can check what's the progress. How high you're able to lift your upper body. Maybe just your chest, maybe even your hips. When you've got your hips, you are very close to the up dog position. Inhale. Slowly exhale. You can do as many reps as your lower back is fine. Otherwise, just take a break. Maybe one more. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Bring your forearms to slowly change position to child pose. And rock your hips again side to side. So now you've got your forearms front of you, right to your side, and you're trying to lift your right arm as high as you can with nice twist. Inhale and slowly exhale. Inhale, slowly exhale. And now left. Inhale and slowly exhale. Inhale, slowly exhale. Okay, now on your knees, right leg straight to your side. Make sure you're squeezing glutes in your right. And now left arm. Inhale. Slowly exhale to your right. Inhale. And slowly exhale. And relax. Hands in hips. Try to bend forward. Inhale. Slowly go up. And exhale. Feel the stretch back of your legs, your glutes, lower back. Could be even the inner thigh on your right side. Back to center and change your legs. Now left arm relax. You're going to lift your right. Inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale. Slowly exhale. And one more. Again, hands in hips to bend forward. Movement from your hips. Inhale all the way up and slowly exhale. Maybe one more. Okay, back on your four and down dog position again. This time trying to lift your left leg not too high and exhale slowly bring down to the floor. Inhale left leg, slowly exhale. Feel the stretch back of your right. So if it's too much, bend your right knee. Inhale and exhale. And now right leg up. Inhale and exhale. Feel the strength in your upper body. Stretch your legs. And one more if you can. Inhale. Slowly exhale. On your four, bring your forearms to lie down on your belly again. And one more time, we're trying the half dog preparation. So maybe forearms, or you're able to lift your hips or the knees off the floor. So I'm just checking what's the strength in your body, how is the mobility in your spine. One more time. Forearms slowly on your four to down dog position again and marching on the spot. And slowly on your four, going to lay down on your back. If you cross legs and rock your hips side to side. Nice stretch for your lower back. Relax your neck and shoulders. And now trying to lift your both legs up again to stretch all the muscles back of your legs. Inhale, slowly exhale. You can keep your legs crossed or legs together. Inhale, slowly exhale. And one more. And relax. And now legs side to side. So you've got feet flat on the floor. Again, stretch your lower back and your hips, glutes. Back to center. Very slowly roll your body on your one side. And have a sit. Inhale, arms up. And slowly exhale. And one more. Inhale. And slowly exhale. Okay, so thank you. Another day with some yoga.
Thank you. I got lots of licking.
Great. Fantastic.
Thank you very much.
So thank you guys for being with us. So if you enjoyed it, please give us thumbs up, leave the comments. If you're doing yoga, ask me by yourself, or like Fiona, you've got some friends around, and yeah, leave the comments if they're actually participating, being close to you, doing something, and yeah, just enjoy. And we will see you tomorrow, another day. So thank you for now. Bye.
See you tomorrow. Thank you.